So we have come to the end of the technical session. In the schedule you'll find that there was a session by me as well, but my work actually was to reduce the gap between the technical session and the lunch. So that gap has already been reduced. So I will not come in between. Actually, I thought that in case that situation happens, so that such session was there. I was thinking about discussing about HTTPS. I don't know how many of you are using digital signatures actively. Are you using digital signatures? Just one question. I hope not many of us are using digital signatures, but actually in the background when we are using, when we are trying to log into a particular website, online shopping, whether it be online shopping or online banking, every time we are using digital signatures, somehow, even if it is not directly by us, because when we are trying to log into a particular server from our browser, there is a whole lot of trust that happens. We trust our browser, and that's why we are using that browser. And we have given the responsibility of that, of ensuring the trust to our browser actually. We tell the browser that, okay, you ensure our security on my behalf, because when I am trying to log into my bank account, I will enter my username, I will enter my password. And when I enter my username and password will travel all the way through the internet, which is not a secure network at all. So you please ensure, I'm telling my browser that you please ensure the security and safety of my username and password. Now what my browser will do is, it will get a certificate, as Sir Pandey has pointed out, that my server will send a certificate to my browser. When my browser is trying to log into that particular server will say that, okay, take this certificate, and that certificate will contain the public key of the server. So when the public key comes to the browser does what? Using it generates a session key, and using that using the public key, it will encrypt the session key and send it to the server. So basically what happens is, at the server side and as well as at the browser side, a shared key is established, and through that shared key the secure communication happens. Because when we talk about public key cryptography is almost in its current form today 1000 times slower than something called symmetric key cryptography. So when we actually do normal communication, we cannot do through public key cryptography, we have to do through symmetric key cryptography only. Okay, just through symmetric key cryptography. The slides were actually not required, as I said that I'm not coming between the lunch and the thing. But what I just wanted to say is that this symmetric key that is established between both the ends with the help of digital certificates eventually helps us to communicate fast and in a secure manner. Basically that, and that is what is HTTPS. If someone is interested, you may look through. Basically these slides were not necessary. So that's it. We have come to the end of the technical session also, and it was, I feel that thanks a lot, and it was a beautiful day today after few days of gloomy weather, and the program went successfully. Thanks a lot to CSIT Bangalore, to Mr. Anup Pandey, who has travelled all the way from Bangalore to be here with us, and thanks a lot. And thanks a lot to all the participants for the encouragement. I hope this was meaningful, and we would now not break exactly, this session is over. We will have lunch in the department. We have done it in the department so that those who have come from outside can have a look at our department as well. So that was intentional. We could have had it somewhere else as well. So please do come and join us for lunch. And that's it. And the certificates that will be generated for the program, okay, those certificates will be sent to you through your email ID that you have provided at the time of registration. That will be blockchain enabled certificate, as you said, isn't it? So it will be provided from CDAC. So thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go.